So tonight, guys, I'm getting ready to finally dyno. I know I said it last video. I'm finally dynoing Project Hurricane. We were running into a weird issue where one bank was going rich, and we basically figured out that it was just the O2 sensor and the placement of the kit with how we were running everything in C85. It looked rich. Everything else we did showed it was fine and it wasn't listening. So we went ahead and welded another bung in. It's dirty. I know I'm not a good welder, but it's solid. It's just not pretty. But we added that other bung in on basically the hood dump. So we actually have a good reading for our O2. Now this car is gonna run on wastegate while we tune it. We might up the boost later, I don't know, but right now it's on wastegate, which is 7 PSI. So what that means, guys, is that as I come up on the car in RPM and I'm on full throttle, the car is gonna try and basically make boost. As it makes boost, it's going to open the wastegate when it hits 7 PSI, and that's gonna let the excess pressure go away, and it will only make 7 PSI. So it's super, super safe, very, very street friendly, even though this is not a street car, it's a race car. But this is just, we're gonna get it all lined out on this on C85 and our new fuel system. So fingers crossed. I don't wanna go Cyclone boom. I can't still watch my ecos, don't go eco boom. So don't go cyclo boom. Cyclo boom. That works. Don't go cyclo boom. I got Daytona here with me today. He's gonna be working with us for quite a while here for the next couple months, and we're in Project Hurricane. I shaved. It's a new day. We're tuning Project Hurricane. We just made several passes, and I am stoked. Now, why am I stoked? Because we're building this 7 PSI on the gauge. Never even touches 8. I did a 30% load on the dyno. 7 PSI on C85, all of our new fuel system working great now, and let's show you what it made on the graph. Check out the graph, guys. This is SAE, 515 horsepower, 468 foot-pounds of torque. Nice looking little graph. That's on 30% load. And yeah, guys, it wants more boost. It wants more. But again, 7 PSI. Beyond stoked right now. I'm super happy. So tonight is, what day is it? It's a Monday night, the Monday before FL2K. So the car is tuned at this boost level. It is on wastegate, 7 PSI, making that power. So I'm pretty happy. I mean, I'm not really sure what much more I wanted out of 7 PSI. We do have nitrous hooked to the car. That was not using the nitrous. The bottle is completely empty right now, and it's turned off. That was on C85 fuel and 7 PSI per the gauge on my dash. It basically showed the same thing when it came to how much, the math reading basically, how many pounds per minute it was flowing. But yeah, so over 500 horsepower, and the car is not that heavy, so it'll probably scoot. So right now I'm having an internal debate with myself. That debate is, Do I go ahead and spray the car? Do I not touch it and I just go ahead and we just swap the gears to the 308s that I have? That way we can give our 411s to Sarah Harrow in her drift car. Or do we up the boost? Or do we add 100 shot of nitrous on top? I'm just not sure. I'm kind of leaning towards leaving it where it is, pulling it off the dyno and swapping the rear end gears to the 308s tonight. Well, doing it tomorrow, really, not tonight. Because Friday morning is when racing starts. And this car is going to be a hell of a lot of fun racing. And I don't really want to blow it up yet. What do you guys think I should do? Comment below what you think I should do. I'm probably not going to do anything, and I'm going to post this video tonight, so it's going to come up in a matter of minutes, an hour, something like that. It'll be up, and like I said, here are your choices. Choice number 1, we leave the car alone, we leave it on 7 PSI with the nitrous turned off, we swap the gears to the 308s, and we go racing on Friday at FL2K. Option number 2, we spray 100 shot of nitrous on top, because I have a bottle that's got nitrous in it. We just spray that on top of it at the track. We change the gears to 308s and we go race at FL2K. Both of those are really easy to do. Well, gears aren't easy, but those two options are easy tune-wise. We don't have to touch anything. I don't have to order any parts. Option 3, we go ahead, we swap the gears to 308s, and then we turn the boost up to 10, 14 PSI. See what 600 something feels like on a C85. Or option number 4, do we turn the boost up to 12 PSI and then we add 100 shot of nitrous and change the gears to 308s. Either way, right now with 411s, the car is stupid fast. It literally just is ripping the dyno apart. I know it only has 500 horsepower, but with 411s, and I have to go in 3rd gear because this is an 11 to 12, meaning I don't have select shift. And it does not want to stay in 3rd gear, so it's going to try and shift into 4th. If I hold the higher RPMs too long. So I'm thinking we're just gonna swap it. But let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna get this posted tonight. As always, comment, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time. I'm out.